Hi guys, it's Rianne and this is Bahama Mama Patterns with a video tutorial on how to sew the Cosmopolitan One Piece Swimsuit. It's our first video, so be sure to like and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. And you can get the Cosmopolitan One Piece pattern on our website bmpatterns.com. For this swimsuit, you'll need the Cosmopolitan pattern pieces, cutting tools, elastic, lining, and main fabric. I'm using the same fabric for both. You'll need to cut the front and back pieces both in the lining and main fabric, 4 strap channels and 2 straps. We'll be starting by sewing the straps, so fold it in half lengthways and make sure the wrong side is on the outside, and you'll sew all the way down. I'm using a serger, but you can substitute this with a zigzag stitch on a regular sewing machine. Next, we'll move on to the strap panels. Place them right sides together and sew along the long edge. Now turn it inside out and you'll sew along the short edge. Now we'll attach the front and back pieces of the main fabric and sandwich the strap panel between the 2 sides about ½ an inch from the top. You'll pin them together and sew along the sides and the gusset. You'll do the same thing for the lining fabric as well, except there won't be the strap panel sandwiched between. Now you'll place the lining fabric inside the main fabric, making sure that the wrong sides are facing. Pin them together at the legs, the neckline, and along the arms and back, and you'll want to serge or baste along these areas. Once it looks like this, you'd go ahead and attach the elastic to all the same areas that you just sewed. You want to pull the elastic slightly, maybe about 10% while sewing, so that we don't get any waviness on the finished edges. When you're attaching the elastic to the tops where the strap should be, Place the elastic about 1/2 inch from the top of the strap area. To sew the straps, sandwich them between the strap area, placing it on the right side of the fabric, and top stitch or serge it down. I ran over it about 2 or 3 times just to make sure that it was secure. Turn the strap to the outside and it should look something like this. We're almost done. Turn the elastic towards the lining fabric and use a zigzag stitch on a regular sewing machine, or for a more professional finish, you can use a straight stitch with a twin stretch needle. Don't stretch the elastic while sewing here. Just pull the fabric ever so slightly if you need to ensure that it's laying flat. To finish up the strap channels, fold it over with the finished edge under and top stitch. Go over it a couple times just to ensure that it's secure. So this is the end of the tutorial. I do hope you enjoyed, and you can message us on bmpatterns.com.